Hi, I am your coolie friend. Today, I am going to tell you how you can use Google search engine to find any information that most people don't know about.
To know definition, put define in front of any word to see its definition.
Search weather to see the weather in your location, like weather New York, to find weather for a certain place.
Use Google as a calculator. Enter a math equation or solve complex graphing equations using Google.
For unit conversions, enter any conversion, like $45 in euros. You can also perform unit conversions.
You can use symbols or words in your search to make your search results more precise. A search for site NewYorkTimes.com will display results from the site.
To search social media, put ad in front of a word to search social media. For example, at Twitter.
To search for a price, put $sign in front of a number. For example, camera $400. To exclude words from your search, put a minus sign in front of a word you want to leave out. For example, Jaguar speed minus sign car. Now, how to search for an exact match, put a word or phrase inside quotes. For example, tallest building. It will display the tallest buildings in the world with its height details.
To search a specific site, say YouTube, put site in front of a site or domain. For example, site, youtube.com. Now how to search for related sites, put related in front of a web address you already know. For example, related, amazon.com. If you want to check the cached version of the site in Google, put cache in front of the site address. This may help you to see a site or page that is not currently accessible online.
You can filter your search results by file types using the qualifier file type. If you wanted to find downloadable PDFs about Google Tips, do a search as Google Tips file type PDF. If you want to search PowerPoint files, then do a search Google Tips file type PPTX. Type time in the Google search, the result will display the local time based on your IP address. You can also check the local time anywhere in the world by just searching time and location. For example, time New York. You can search time at any location by giving the city name or the zip or postal code. Do you want to know the sunrise and sunset time? Just search sunrise or sunset with location that you want to search will display the time of sunset or sunrise. Do you want to know real-time stock quotes? Type any publicly traded company's ticker symbol and Google will give you real-time price information on that company, for example Goop for Google or AMZN for Amazon. Do you want to know local attractions nearby? Just search city name attractions to display information about local attractions with relevant images. Click More Things to Do to open a map of the area with attractions marked on the map. Do you want to flip a coin to make a decision? Do a search flip a coin and Google will show a card with a flippable coin. Now do some little tricks in Google search engine. Search do a barrel roll in the Google search box, and experience a barrel roll in search results. Search for a SKU and experience the results. Search for blink HTML, you can see the results are also blinking. Do you want to see how Google looks in 1998? Search Google in 1998. You can play a game of Breakout by searching Atari Breakout in Google and clicking the Images tab. You can also do this by visiting Google Images, images.google.com, and search for Atari Breakout. Google Image Search function allows you to upload an image file or giving an image link to find information about the image. For example, if you uploaded a picture of the Google Pay, Google has the ability to recognize it and give you information about Google Pay.